Hello everyone. In December 2012 I launched the prospectus for Luton. This is our roadmap of the path to Luton's future prosperity. It sets out the ways in which we intend to manage our budgets and implement the huge savings that are being demanded of us. It also prioritised the area of our work so that we could ensure people are safe, supported and healthy, make Luton fit for growth and encourage businesses to grow, give Luton people access to great education and lifelong learning opportunities. We have made sound progress in many areas. We have supported people affected by welfare reforms in many practical ways that help them prepare and cope with the changes or find their way back into work. We have encouraged record numbers of people to take part in exercise. Our Better Together programme is integrating health and social care services so that people get a better care and attention, which is coordinated and efficient. The new Toko Youth Space has proved extremely popular, with over 2,000 young people making use of the facility. We have opened our first new council houses in decades, with energy-efficient bungalows designed and built by the council's own staff. The Luton and Dunstable busway has opened, drastically cutting travel times and freeing up congestion. Works to improve junction 10A of the M1 have begun, as have the town centre ring road improvements. Educational attainment levels are improving and youth unemployment is now below the East of England average. These are just some of the exceptional achievements that have been achieved in very difficult financial times. We knew when we launched the prospectus that the financial challenges were going to be tough. Unfortunately, things are going to get even tougher. The sheer scale of the savings we have to find is truly enormous. In the last 3 years, we have had to make savings of £54 million. Our 14-15 budget saves a further £18 million. Then we still have to find another £33 million worth of savings in the following 2 years. This is £104 million worth of savings, which is equivalent to saving 68% of our 28-11-12 net budget. According to the Institute of Fiscal Studies, the government has only made 46% of their intended budget savings, so we can be confident that we will have to have even more challenging times ahead of us. Many of the savings we have made to date have not impacted directly on services, but we have had to take some very difficult decisions. We know that this is going to get even tougher. There is no doubt that there will be more difficult and increasingly challenging decisions to make. This summer we are undertaking what could arguably be one of our most important ever pieces of consultation. We are asking residents to give us further feedback regarding the services that are important to them in the context of the massive savings we have to make. It is available on the council's website and as a paper survey at various locations. We are also taking a stand at all of our community festivals and will also be found out and about at the many community events that are taking part in the summer. We want you to tell us which service areas you use and value the most and which ones you feel we could cut. This will be a huge help to us as we consider every service and strive to meet the monumental financial challenges. We are doing everything we can to make sure that everyone has the opportunity to contribute, so please keep an eye on the Luton Borough Council website, register on our online consultation portal or on Twitter to make sure you have your say. Details are also being sent to the local media and available in the July edition of Luton Line. I thank you very much for listening to this video and in advance of your contribution.